slippery, alright? Alright. Prima non la manco dello niente, ma la manco di qua. Lago, prima non manco di stare, dai, vicino, caldo e giù. Andiamo nel destra di Revo. Go, dai, motorino. Guarda, niente sto fatto. Ma forse sta sale nel calcio. Dai. Bravo. Vai. You put your left foot here, and then here, okay? Don't go left, don't go right. Straight forward as much as you can. Trust me, you will love it. So you jump on the left feet, okay?
And not on the right.
No, only you go with the right, but you jump on the left as far as you can, okay? But you need to let me go. Alright? Let me go a little bit there. Now, straight forward as much as you can. On the grass, it's not slippery. Nice! This is good. So, bro, on the grass, left it, so it's not slippery. You jump.
That's right.
Yes, left. You jump on the left, okay? Don't jump on the right. You jump on the left, okay?